What is up, you guys? I'm Charmx. Today, I'm going to be reacting to YTP Charmx Makes Weird Sounds by Epic Robot Man Films. Now, hopefully it's going to be quite funny. The original link's in the description. Make sure you go subscribe to Epic Robot Man Films. Without any further ado, let's begin. Whoa, I love him. I love. Oh my goodness. But I love flying kitties. So oh. Well, it looks like I'm losing my mind early in this video.
Why weren't you at elf practice?
Oh, that's what? I can't keep doing it. Oh, that was crazy editing right there.
Yes, I'm gonna end this soon. There is no point in me trying to play this game.
Oh man, this is really funny.
Nah. How? Wow. Well. What is up, my friends and family? I'm Charmx, and today I'm gonna be reacting to Pennywise is a Let's begin. What?
Yeah, this is YouTube poop. Although it's not like crazy edited, it's just like the going forward and backwards stuff. It's making me lose it. I don't know why, but whenever that happens, like to me specifically, when people take whatever I'm saying or whatever, and they like do that with it, I don't know why. I just find it so friggin' funny.
Oh, there's no checkpoints. There's no checkpoints. Every single, when you go through a portal, check. Schnerbinator. I'll see you guys next time. Oh,
I love this. This was awesome. Anyway, guys, I hope you liked this video. This was really funny. I was not expecting it to be this funny, but I mean, it was really, really funny. Anyway, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, possibly share with a friend. If you're new, then subscribe to the family. Also, make sure you go subscribe to Epic Robot Films. Man, I can't speak. But with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Boop.